Today we're going to make these frozen cookies. Ingredients: cookies to decorate, royal icing in white. Do you have your cookies ready to decorate? If not, watch our decorated cookie recipe video tutorial. Now, colour the cookies with the white royal icing. First, let's paint the edges with the royal icing and let it dry for a few minutes. Then, fill the inside of the cookies and let it dry again, this time preferably overnight. Finally, paint the details of the cookies. Be inspired by this and other ideas to celebrate your event and subscribe to our channel.